Oh my god.
Empanada.
No.
Is that real bread?
Chocolate taste testing.
Yeah, we did try it.
Oh my god. Come on, can't get me. Hey, welcome back to my channel. I thought in amongst all these kind of travel vlogs, I would throw in a little bit more content similar to what I love to post and talk about in terms of lifestyle, health, wellness, and how I kind of incorporate that while I'm traveling, because I know travel can be a time where everyone just kind of completely goes off the bandwagon. Then they come home and they do like a huge reset and they're like, oh my gosh, how did I let myself either blow out that much or whatever it may be. There is really no wrong or right way, but I just know there's one way that makes me feel a bit more consistent and feel good while traveling. And when I come back home and need to get back into routine, it's not as big of a jump. It's kind of more in the middle. Most mornings I've actually been going and doing a 30-minute incline on the treadmill just to get those extra steps in, particularly if I'm in a place where I know I'm getting in a car more than walking. Medellin is a very walkable city, but it's also very easy to get Ubers. So I'd say my step count is lower than when you're on like a big travel kind of walking area. So I've been trying to incorporate more steps earlier on in my day just to help combat that extra movement with extra food that I won't know really what's in it. I'm not doing that today though, because we are heading to do a strength training. So as well as I'm on my period, so the last thing I want to do is be doing like incline walks, but every other day I have been doing that. That's kind of my tip number one. Come along for what I eat, just to give you a realistic idea of how I still try and get in protein. And when it comes to food while traveling that does not feel restrictive at all, you will see me enjoying all the good stuff. Let's eat around Medellin for the day.
We're walking to our first spot where we're going to get just a coffee before we do our gym workout, but I'm really glad I did not do my incline walk today because we're walking to a gym that is a natural incline here in Medellin. Gracias. Now this is a hot coffee.
Yeah, it looks steamy.
Is yours?
Yeah.
I was going to say, surely you're happy.
Yeah, that's why I come here.
Hottest coffee ever. Which is good. Finished the gym, we're in the supermarket. Girl needs to get some girl items, but can't read it in Spanish, so I'm gonna figure this out by the pictures. Thank God that's kind of universal. We might just get like some bread, fruit or something. I'm a bit of a sweaty mess, but we're gonna go get some street food in a moment, so we'll take you along for that. Figure out how to read this. Get some grapes. Bread.
Is that real bread?
I'm not sure. From the bakery. It's some ladies. But I want some green bananas.
We've got heaps of bananas,
They
boo.
already went really right. Just, I'll pick 2 green. Oh, they're just so soft. Why are they green but soft? Alright, no bananas. The hazelnut.
I got this one.
Yeah, we did try this, but we won't get it again.
It was next to the...
Oh man.
It was this one.
Girl's got to get her chocolate. This one is the best. Because oh, did I scan it multiple times? Okay, so we're underground. Not underground, but kind of under the train station. There's just like a little family-run business. So I don't really know what we're ordering. It's completely in Spanish, but I think an empanada.
The last empanada.
No!
We literally saw it.
I just said we're ordering an empanada and someone just took it.
Okay.
So, plan B. We ordered the
I got one with hoovers,
desayuno,
which is just breakfast. And then
with
she's asked me.
hoovers, which is eggs. And
I asked for the one with meat and chicharrón.
although it's not hoovers, it's huevos.
We just call it
We just call it hoovers. It's funny. But yeah, we're getting some type of breakfast, egg dish, and a soup. A soupa?
Sopa.
Sopa. We'll see what we ordered. I've got my pocket.
Gracias.
These things
So you,
are like
so you crack it and like pop it in. Ah, gracias.
ají.
Sí. can honestly get another one.
Ooh,
Like,
it popped down the throat.
yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, I don't know what these are because there was no empanadas, but
It's interesting. They look like oranges.
it tastes like a Tasco corn flour. It's interesting. Gracias.
Gracias. Muy bien. Bien. Muy bien.
Oh my god. Breakfast we just had cost us
Close to 7, 8 there.
yeah, 7. Oh, hang on, the music. So we actually didn't know what she's saying, but she didn't lie to us because she ended up bringing us back change. But yeah, in total for that whole breakfast, 7 Australian dollars, roughly 5 American dollars. Very, very cheap. You saw how much we ate, and we're very full. Chocolate taste testing. Coconut.
You know me, I like the most basic.
I thought you liked coconut. Chocolate.
I like coconut.
Yeah. I think it tastes like dark chocolate.
Is this coconut?
Mm-hmm. It's not that coconutty.
Nah.
I just dribbled. I don't taste the coconut.
That's, it doesn't really... Who said it's coconut? That's not What did we do a cooking class on?
Cacao.
That's cacao. It's a 58% cacao.
Oh, I thought that looked like, come on, can't get me wrong. Me saying the coconut just tastes like dark chocolate. Because it is. That looked like coconut cream in it. Anyway, I read coconut, not cacao.
None of these have sugar in it.
Well, that one tastes the real deal.
Yeah.
This one probably does.
Let's put it in the fridge.
I'm about to go up and get a coffee and do work in the co-working space, but especially on my period, I just want carbs. So I'm having some bread. I was like buying the brioche bread here the other day, but that's not really real bread. But it's delicious. 2024 goal, I actually want to make my own bread. So stay tuned for that. You just can't beat bread and butter. Out for dinner, which pretty much is every night, except last night I did not go out for dinner, but Christian went to this steakhouse, so we're gonna head back there because the steak here is delicious and affordable compared to anywhere else. It's kind of like, I guess, very close to, well, it's not very close to Argentina.
It's just we're close to a lot of the meat producing countries. Brazil,
yeah, like
Argentina.
even where Australia would get them from. Probably not actually cold, but it is. We're at, is it
Malevo, yeah.
Malevo. We'll see what you order. Yeah, empanada. This was the...
That's chicken.
Margarita. Pepperoni.
Gracias.
Chicken. I'm so excited to try an empanada. I've been craving today.
Beef is the best.
We're just like,
Gracias. Ah, beautiful. Gracias.
Gracias. After all that.
Okay, that's a wrap for today of everything I ate in Medellin. We went from just coffee to some explaining how I move my body on holidays, and then we had the street food cooking in the Airbnb, as well as a high-end restaurant, which was delicious. And when I say high-end, still so affordable. Everything is so affordable, hence why you can still eat out a lot in Medellin. But the whole point of this video was just to show like a realistic day on my plate while traveling. It's more so about just enjoying the culture and trying different foods when I go out to eat, rather than being so worried about how many calories is in it. I generally just enjoy trying out different foods when I travel, so I like to have a lifestyle that allows me to do that without ever getting worried. So getting in extra movement and steps will will help combat that. So I always like to make sure I'm enjoying what I'm eating while traveling, but still staying on top of the lifestyle. Just the feeling I like to feel in my own body. Stay tuned for the vlogs. They are still coming out weekly. If you want to see more on the ins and out, as this vlog was basically just following me around while I was eating, and there was lots more extra chaos in the vlogs.